We are producing high performance doors. We also call them high-speed doors, and especially for commercial applications in order to reduce the loss of energy from an, let's say, warm environmental into a cold environmental, or vice versa. The idea is to have in this brand new facility a much easier production line, so for our employees to be more efficient, faster to produce the doors, and at the end then to be more competitive. We are very satisfied with the workforce here. Our employees, whether they work in the office or in the shop floor, are very, very important for the quality of our products and the quality of our service level to our dealers. And we are very happy to find such a good workforce in this area here. That we are pretty happy that we could do such investment in the United States, not only in the Pittsburgh area or in Pennsylvania. And we are really looking forward that we are going to sell our products as successfully as in the last years, and that we're going to grow the business here, and that we again in a couple of years are forced to not move house but to increase our production and to add another building here at this facility.
Sustainability, I think, is in the company's DNA at Hormann. And I think, they have a real interest in their products being this sort of quick, high-speed doors that open and close and kind of prevent air from getting in. That's actually one of the credits that we're going to be going out after for an innovation in design. So I think in their thinking, they think of themselves as sort of an innovator, both in the technology of overhead doors, but sort of in their environmental consequences. So it's interesting. You think that doing a green building costs a lot more, and I think it's really a matter of mind shift. If you actually go into a project knowing that you want to keep and maintain these sort of environmental principles in mind, then it really doesn't. It's just really a matter of designing it at the appropriate time and actually doing it as you think through the whole design and section of the program. I think LEED has become sort of something which is kind of popular in the popular imagination. People are seeing it also as a marketing asset to to an organization that you could say, hey, we've kind of gone. This sort of is in our DNA. We can then say that what we're producing also has that same value system.
This is just a beautiful facility designed for expansion. It's laid out specifically for the products that we're manufacturing. So the ease of flow of materials from receiving to shipping is all strategically planned out. And they also mentioned that the building is designed so that we could actually expand 2 more times on the same property. And that was all taken into consideration when they built this facility. We manufacture, so we need skilled laborers for the plant. There's assembly jobs, welding jobs, logistics, shipping, we have an accounting department, we have a sales department here, so really anybody that has skills, could certainly enter into the workforce here.
We're actually making careers out here. In this park right now, you can get a job if you're an engineer, doing science stuff, chemistry, manufacturing, of course, logistics. As I mentioned during my brief remarks, my father worked for the same company for 30 years. You can't do that anymore. So we need to make these opportunities happen again. And that's kind of what the park is aiming for.